Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Just a real quick video today. Sometimes it's easy for me to sit down and concentrate and get blown away and be able to concentrate and knock out the video of the day or a couple at a time for our micro videos. But these milestones and these huge gaps are really extremely humbling. So I thought I was just going to be able to say, okay, I've gotten used to it, but I don't think I want to get used to these awesome spikes and this very humbling feedback. So yesterday we passed, I think maybe even the day before, 3,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna try to get okay and maybe wait till 10,000, but I can't make any promises. But I just wanted to tell you guys thank you for spending your time. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to show my Python experience and my knowledge, because that's really all this is the documentation of my learning experience, how I went about it, the struggles that I had, and the things that I hope I can save you from, the lost time. And hopefully I'm keeping you motivated, because I tell you what, you guys are keeping me motivated. There are 3,000 people that have subscribed to this channel, and that is so humbling. And then now I have this other opportunity that so many of you are converting over from Free Code Camp. And I want to say thank you and welcome, but it's just very humbling. I know your time is extremely valuable, and you're choosing to watch these videos. So I wanted to tell you thank you, and then also want to explain, with you guys watching and sharing, that moves my videos up the suggestion, so others are able to see it. So by you doing this, by you spending time, it is making these videos more visible. So I just want to tell you thank you. Everything in the comments that you guys are leaving are extremely humbling. So I thought I'd be able to blow past this, but got some really very nice comments over the past about 24 hours. So I never want you guys to wonder. I try to answer all of them. Sometimes some slip through, especially a reply to a reply of mine. YouTube does not grab those very well. So if it's a reply to a reply and I didn't see it, I apologize. I try to go back and be very thorough. But I never want you to wonder how much I appreciate the time that you spend. So thank you. Real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests. And tomorrow, I promise, we'll pick back up on Django, and we will be looking at templates and where to place those. And we'll be using, guess what? We'll be using all our Python skills. Very, very, very cool stuff. All right. Thank you guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.